So, this is an important news to all Jamaicans with foreign passport. Jamaicans with foreign passports are now able to remain in Jamaica for up to 6 months automatically. Do you remember when you enter Jamaica with your foreign passport, like US passport, British, Canada, wherever, they would give you about 3 months, sometime less, to stay in Jamaica? All that has changed since August 1st. The Minister of National Security has signed an order allowing Jamaicans with their foreign passport to stay in Jamaica up to 6 months. Very good.